Well, our pet is back with us again. We haven't seen him all winter, and here he is. This is Jake the snake back again. He is looks like, I'm guessing he has grown, maybe, I'm guessing, to 6 foot long. He's a biggin, and he's just real curious about me. It's hard to see him in the grass, just to the extent of how big he is. But he was sunning himself in the driveway when I saw him, and he does like to. He doesn't like Badger that much. They almost had a little confrontation. We had to call Badger away. We don't want him to get bit. Wouldn't probably hurt him, maybe his pride. But I'm gonna see if I can't get him on this sidewalk so you can truly appreciate just how big he is. This is a rat snake, so we're glad to have him. He's gorgeous. The ones here in this area of the country, they have a white belly. It's very, I mean, just as white can be, and that's how you can tell that that's what this is, or I wouldn't be getting near as up close and personal with this thing. But he is a monster of a snake. And so I think last time we saw him was about this, well, probably about 8 months ago, or better. And I was thinking he was probably 5 foot. Now I would say he's closer to 6. Wow. Just amazing. So one good thing about rat snakes, of course, they eat rats. They eat other snakes. They eat pretty much anything and everything they want to. They're not poisonous. So we're glad to have him around. Not that crazy about him being right here at the house. He could get a little. He's got plenty of room to roam. So I'm kind of curious where he's going to go. I'm thinking he might go in that pot with that grass just to get away from me. He's a little camera shy. But yeah, I was just shocked. He was just laying in the driveway, all sprawled out. Glad to see he's still alive. We've got a lot of birds of prey around here, falcons, eagles, and so they could make quick work of him. They'd have to be a pretty big bird, but they would do it. All right, well, that's about all for chapter 2 of Jake the Snake. You see now, you can see how white he is underneath. No, I can't really zoom, but you can see just how white his underside is, and that's how you know what this snake is. And I'm really glad that that's an indicator, because if I didn't know for certain it'd be a dead snake. But now I know what it is, and we've enjoyed him for almost a year now, and as long as he does his thing and lets us do our thing, he'll be a welcome member of the family here on the little homestead. Anyway, make sure you click that subscribe button. Something's always kind of going on. This is something I just grabbed the phone because here was Jake and took a quick little video to let you see just how gorgeous he is. Anyway, click the subscribe button, join our family, and thanks for watching. I just couldn't help myself. Here, just for reference, this planter he's laying next to is a little over 9 foot long. So God, he's just so freaking gigantic. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Go on, Jake. Go find some moles or some rats or something.